One more detailed look at the random angle miter or ram cut. Again, we'll be using two different width boards glued together into a compound board used to create a unique shape for a large vase. The smaller board is cut on the table saw to 7.5 degrees along both sides. The larger board is cut to 7.5 degrees along one side and 22.5 degrees along the other side. Then glue the two boards together at the 7.5 degree sides. In the last example, we used the 5 degrees instead of 7.5, and that side was held flat against the table of the miter saw. But just to demonstrate the versatility of this miter cut, the compound board this time will simply be pushed up against the fence. You want to maintain this orientation as you cut the splayed miter pieces. Since the compound board can't be reversed to make the same cut, only every other cut will go together to create the splayed miter bowl or vase pieces. If you match the length of your cuts, the two different shaped pieces will fit together, as you will see. As in all of these examples, you can use any normal setting for making an equilateral polygon shape. In this example, I used 22.5 degrees for 8 sides, but could have used 30 degrees for 6 or even 20 for 9 sides. If we had kept the 7.5 degree cut laid flat on the table of the saw instead of just pushed against the fence, then adding the two 7.5 degrees glued together to make the compound board equals the 22.5 degree cut that the final splayed pieces would have actually sat flat. Even without the ends being flat or level, the top and bottom are still parallel. The angles match and the two splayed pieces will fit together. Didn't do a very good job of measuring the second splayed cuts, so had to adjust. But from here, it's just a matter of gluing everything together and then turning a unique vase. It is so simple to use, so no doubt I'll use the ram cut on future pieces, but believe I have shared enough in these 3 videos that you all can figure it out, if and how you may want to use. You will probably even figure out a few tricks I haven't thought of. Hope these videos have been helpful. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed.